Oh my god, what are you doing?
What's up, guys? Welcome back. So this is the Oster microwave today. So today,
Have you ever seen a microwave like that?
no, I've never seen that microwave. So this Oster is working perfectly fine. What?
You can cook popcorn, potatoes, pizza, beverage,
Frozen dinner, reheat, clock, timer, speed defrost, lock defrost, power.
Whoa. It opens like this. You open it by putting a handle. And it has a plate inside. What else does it have, Carito?
I'll show you. Can you grab the... can you grab the... Excuse me. Excuse me.
I did. If you want one, it's so much and I'll
Oh, Nick! Nick!
Grab it.
Put this thing in the microwave. Put this thing in the microwave as water.
No, it could explode, bro.
No, it's not. It's not exploding.
Paul doesn't know what he's talking about.
It's not. It's microwave safe.
Hello.
Wait, Nick. Press two?
Okay.
No, what the heck? What
It's fine, it's fine. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait till this ends and see what happens.
Hello.
Oh.
Who's in there? What the heck? What the heck? Dude!
So who is that one guy's your boyfriend? That one guy's boyfriend?
It's a light bulb.
Yes, that's it. We went to a movie with
Look. Are you flicker one?
So guys, this Oster microwave is working perfectly fine, but as you guys already know, it's counting down. As you could see. So
You want to go to the store, Nini?
like
2 hours from now.
I would love to go to store, Mom.
That's like hours from now.
So guys,
I'll go get these and you can say yes, okay?
so hey, go on. Hey, Nick, did you like the? Hey, Nick, did you like the Oster microwave working?
So that's like
See, guys, he likes it.
The cold sore, no?
that's our couch and turkey.
I know. She gave me time. She gave me her piece. That was she kissed.
Hey, dude, I had got one too.
Did you tell her or no?
I had got one too, a court for. And I just don't get these shit.
Who did you kiss?
Nobody. I just got it. I really got it from Michigan. But I
So-
I have to get the medicine.